Hi, welcome to Lala's World. Today's video tutorial is how to see your Spotify Year in Review 2023 on Android phone, Wrapped Unwrapped. First, open your Spotify app. If you don't see where it says 2023 Wrapped in the menu main section, you can look to the top menu, swipe left, and look to the far right, and you'll see the option to select Wrapped. Next, click on Wrapped. Here, you'll see the video that Spotify made for you for your Spotify Year in Review 2023. I had to turn my volume down a bit, but it was really nice to listen because there was a recap of all of my songs throughout the year, and it breaks it down to your top 5 songs and the artist, and you have the option to add this to a playlist as well. Then you get facts about your artist that you're listening to, which is really interesting. You also get a message from your top artist, which is super fun to see as a fan. And at the end, it breaks everything down to the bottom. There's also a share button that allows you to share your rap story or pages of the story to your social media and more. At the end of the video, you can click individually to see the wrapped video again, or you can pull up each section, including a few extra sections like artist merchandise and more. Well, thanks for watching How to See Your Spotify Year in Review 2023 on Android phone, Wrapped Unwrapped. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Also, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and check out the other videos on this channel.